In this documentary, we ask 5 finance professionals relevant questions about their work and challenges, highlighting their stories of perseverance and dedication, and offering a glimpse into the world of finance and the people behind every decision.
What major challenges or difficulties have you encountered in your field?
So as I work here in Niano, so my primary work is about sa pag-make of subsidiary ledgers or SL sa mga different funds sa finance. So na may different funds like COB, LFP, and each fund na po'y 3 remittances like GSIS, PhilHealth, and Pag-ibig. So one of the main problems I've encountered was about sa pag-maintain sa accuracy sa akong SL nga ginahimo. So since each fund pod has its own requirements, therefore keeping them updated and updated and properly balanced is getting tricky siya, libog gid siya, and dili siya dali ra bitaw mahuman, dili siya madala isa lang kaluguran. So mo na ang major challenge nga ako ang na-encounter.
Why do you consider these as problems in your field?
I consider this as a difficulty or kuan in this field kay financial management mangyo. Very important accuracy and timeliness. So any delay or any error kay maka-apekto gid siya sa overall na kuan sa agency sa compliance na sa status.
In what ways did these challenges affect you personally or professionally?
Maka-affect yun siya, anxiety yun na ako kay kanang samtang gapan, sure some semi overthink nga, masing ma-short, inana. Pero sa other side food, kay mas nakatuon ni ba nga mag-amping or mas tarungon para dili nga magka-short-short.
How did you respond to or overcome these challenges?
They advised me to become more patient and more must be very more detailed and transparent with financial concerns, since this is very serious thing to explain to the member, so that we can avoid financial misunderstandings and to fully understand the terms that they receive coming from the healthcare in America.
Looking back, what important lessons have you learned from these experiences?
Kuha ni mo mag-face, ni mo bitang ang tanan knowledge o tanan na mga given knowledge at tanan nga possible ni mo nga matunan as important as kanang pagbag-o dito sa technology. Kay mostly man god kuha na magod ako take as kuha na magod taken for granted na magod ka ng mga seminar nga magian kanang mga opportunities unta nga maka-learn ka ba. So di na bitaw mabalik ang panahon nga makatuon pa ka kay dali ra kayo mag-evolve bitaw nga atong economy. So every time na mag-change sa economy, na bitaw mga opportunities po sa knowledge. So dapat dayon ta kuan nimo ba i-nurture nimo kung sa knowledge nimo karon kay in the near future magamit mo di mo kibali makuha na nimo ba ma-renew lang bitaw. So mag-practical knowledge sa imuha o dapat kanang imo bitaw learning by doing. So kinahanglan nimo ang imong mga knowledge nga nangatun-an nga i-nurture pa nimo sa imuhan.
Their stories reveal the dedication and effort in finance create real impact beyond just numbers.